back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe in your home. Today I'm back with a DIY video wherein I will show you guys how you can make beautiful paper flowers at home to make your quarantine fun and interesting. For this DIY, you only require some colorful sheets which you may already have at home. You will require some First take a A4 sheet and then take your pencil and roll your A4 sheet to form a stick. It will look like this, and if you don't have A4 sheets, you can also roll your newspaper into sticks. Paint your sticks by acrylic or poster colors. I have colored mine in two shades, a lighter and a darker green. And now our stems are ready. For flowers, I have taken this fluorescent sheet and then folding it into half. Then cut them into two halves. Then taking one piece and folding into half. Now we have to mark a line using a ruler on one open end of the paper. Now start cutting the paper using a scissor into stripes, but just till the marked line. At the end, it will look something like this. Now open the folded paper and stick the opposite ends together, like so. Apply some glue on one end of the paper and hold on to it for a couple of seconds. Start rolling it downwards and then glue the other end. This is how it looks, and we'll do the same to the others. And for the second type, I have just glued in two different colored sheets together and doing the same thing. For our third type, we are basically doing the same thing, but only folding our paper once and cutting the strips as thin as possible. This is how they will look at the end, and you will see they are much thinner than before. Glue the ends, hold on for a couple of seconds, and then roll over one another. In this one, you don't have to roll down the paper, but you have to roll one layer over the another. On to the last type. I have taken the same sheet as the first and the second one, but this time we are folding them one over the another. This is how they all look at the end, very bright and colorful. You will see that all the flowers are made with the same technique, but due to their different placements and the cutting patterns, they look so different than one another. Some had thinner stripes and the other had a bit wider, and that's what's making them look so different. Lastly, I colored my remaining sticks in 3 colors and made a vase out of it. This is how the flowers look in the indoor lighting as well as in the outdoor lightings. I hope you guys will like this video and will try it by yourself. And if you did, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe back to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.